Kahit ilang beses ako magsimba, hindi ko maitutuwid ito. Di ko man to ginusto na gawa ko ng manloko. Nakiapid ako sa asawa ng iba. Naging marupok ako. Nagawa kong ahasin ang asawa ng kaibigan ko. Itinigil ko naman kahit mahirap dahil ako yung luhaan. Sino ba kasing nagsabing ma-inlove ka sa relasyong tawag lang naman talaga ng laman? Ang isang beses tama na sana pero nasundan pa at nasundan. Nang ihinto ko yon, huli na, meron na akong nararamdaman. Mali ba kung itatago ko na lang to? Kami lang naman yung nakakaalam. Nawala na sa akin yung lalaking mahal ko, ayaw kong mawalan ng kaibigan. Selfish ba ako kung hindi ko magagawang pumanig sa katotohanan? Masama pa din ba ako kung ayaw ko lang naman talaga siyang masaktan? Ako si Bea, natukso, naging marupok, at ito ang aking biyaheng kasinungalingan. My love, di na ako magpapaligoy-ligoy pa. If you are really a true friend, like you say you are, Bea, if you really care for your friend, then you'll give her the option to choose. To choose to stay in a relationship na unfaithful yung lalaki. To choose to say, to stay in your relationship na nang bebetray ka ng kaibigan. Medyo ang slow ko. Nag-loading kasi ako in between. Well, anyway, going back. You have to give her the option, my love, a chance to choose for herself. You guys already chose in behalf of her. Nung ginawa nyo ng paulit-ulit, yung kasalanang alam nyong masasaktan siya. Yung kasalanang alam nyong madudurog siya. Yung kasalanang alam nyo na magpapahiwalay ng buhay na kinagisnan niya na for how many years. As a friend, you have to give her the ability to choose for herself. If she will forgive you, if she will stay in a relationship with her husband, if she will still accept you as a friend. Ninakawan niyo na siya ng malay by going behind her back and doing what you guys did multiple times. You had every option to do otherwise, na hindi gawin yung pagkakamaling yan, na hindi gawin yung kasalanan yan, but you guys chose to do it over and over and over again, and she didn't had a choice. Clueless siya, blinded by the love na meron siya para sa iyo at para sa asawa niya. She trusted you guys. So if it's not too much to ask, tell her the truth. Bigyan niyo siya rather ng pagkakataong pumili. Pagkakataon na mag-decide on her own. Pagkakataon na masaktan kung kailangan niyang masaktan, pero this time around, kung tatanggapin niya ulit kayong dalawa pabalik, you know within yourself na tinanggap niya kayo ulit dahil mahal ka ng kaibigan mo, dahil napatawad ka na niya. Dahil para sa kanya mas matimbang yung pinagsamahan niyong dalawa kesa sa pagkakamaling nagawa mo. Na maybe for her, your good outweighs all the bad things you did. Pero you have to give her that choice. At one point in your life, you must learn how to face and when to face the consequences of your actions. Kahit pa kasi pagsisihan mo, ikaw na rin lang naman talaga nagsabi, kahit pa pagsisihan mo, hindi mo na mababalik yung panahon na nakagawa ka ng pagkakamali. And even if itago mo yan, that doesn't make it right. It makes it worse. Kasi this time around, nawalan ka na talaga ng puso para sa kanya. Nawalan ka na ng concern para sa kanya. Just come to think of it. If you really do care for your best friend, if you really do care for your friend, would you really want her to be with someone na kung yung best friend nga ng asawa niya kaya niyang taluhin? Ibang tao pa kaya? Imagine what kind of a clueless life she'll have with this guy. Nagkamali ka ng before, my love. You have a chance na ituwid yung pagkakamali na yun now. Even if ikaw yung masaktan. Even if ikaw yung mawalan ng kaibigan. This time around, take the bullet. I'm not saying this because you deserve it, because you do, my love. Pero hindi yun yung dahilan. But because she deserves better. A better partner and a better treatment from someone who claims she's a friend. If you really care for the people you love, my love. Paulit-ulit ko tong sinabi sa programa natin. Even before, this is something that I truly believe in. It's better na masaktan sila ng katotohanan kaysa paulit-ulit mo silang pasayahin sa kasinungalingan. Klaro? Klaro.